Good morning, YouTube. Tegridy Cactus here. It's Saturday at around, I don't know, 9 something in the morning. Alright, and today I'm going to show you and tell you and explain about guerrilla gardening. Because I gosh damn guerrilla garden myself. Basically, it's when you take seeds and you just toss them anywhere. Toss them in your neighbor's yard, you're taking a hike through the woods, toss some seeds from there, toss some seeds from there, and just let them grow. Which is not the best of things because some types of plants don't belong in certain kinds of environments, screws up the ecosystem, all that jazz. But I goddamn fucking guerrilla garden myself. At the end of last season, right before the fall hit, so it was like September, October, I had cleared out my garden and everything like that, and I had some seeds. And I just tossed them in the middle of there and threw some dirt over it, and that was the end of that. And I forgot what I planted. And turns out that they are gourds. Last season, if you saw some of my videos, I had some wicked awesome gourds, and this is the outcome of that. So Tegridy Cactus, guerrilla garden himself. I wouldn't recommend doing that. I don't recommend doing it anywhere. But yeah, do you. Tegridy Cactus reminding you to stay safe, stay green, and don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button. Oh, and on a completely awesome fucking note, my hens and chicks, my firemen or my fire red or my Spitfire hens and chicks will be getting flowers. I've never seen them flower before. It's dope. Dope. Now, apparently when they flower, it kills off part of the plant, or you can cut them and keep the flowers still bloom or some jazz. I don't know. I would suggest Googling it or checking out Wikipedia on that. Don't quote me on any of that, but yeah. Check out my other video on gourds from last season. You can notice the big yellow flowers. Vines the hell out. Now, luckily, other than some irises and some of my Puntia humifusa and these hens and chicks and some sedum, that's all I have in the ground. So this thing can go wild. But yeah, that's it. Alrighty, guys. Take care.